There are some things to know before you start shopping for a rear view camera. First, you'll need some type of monitor to pair with your aftermarket backup camera. Many vehicles have factory-installed touchscreens or monitors with backup camera input, or you may have an aftermarket screen with the right inputs installed in your vehicle already. We've included an option for a standalone add-on backup camera if that's all you need. There are many products available to choose from best backup cameras for cars, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did dynamic research, read tons of reviews from customers, and compiled a list of the best backup cameras for cars from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Furrion Vision S 4.3-inch Wireless Backup System. The Furrion Vision S earns a lot of superlatives. It's the most capable, has the most useful features, is the largest, and most expensive. It's intended for RVs and trailers, but this backup camera system would also be perfect for a truck with a cab, or any large SUV with a major blind spot. It features a large remote unit that is designed to be screwed into the back of your vehicle. It connects with a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection to a 4.3-inch touchscreen, with a quick-release suction cup windshield mount and dash stand. You hope for a lot of features, and it has them. The only microphone and speaker on the list: touchscreen, infrared night vision, auto wake motion detection, and virtual parking lines. As it's intended to be mounted high, its 120 degrees angle is narrower than many others, and the 720p camera resolution is disappointing. You also have to go up to the even more expensive 5 or 7-inch display to get a multiple view option, but you can upgrade to those separately and keep the reverse unit. The whole system is modular, and you can even add additional wireless side cameras. Number 2. Yakkari Y28 Highway Observation System. The Yakkari Y28 is one of the higher-end products and is compatible with Furrion pre-wired trailers, which extends its usefulness. It comes with a pair of identical cameras with infrared capabilities for night vision, and a very wide 150-degree field of view. If you had the need and space for the monitor, there's no reason you couldn't mount both cameras behind the rear windscreen inside a car, truck, or SUV, and have an overlapping pair of rear views covering almost 180 degrees. The main screen is a 7-inch 1080p non-touch display with capacitive buttons. It has backup guidelines, and up to 70 hours of looping recording built in. The cameras link with Bluetooth over a claimed 220-foot range. Expect a lot less if there's metal in between the screen and cameras, and there's the potential for interference. The cameras can either be hardwired or powered with a 9V battery, so no drill installation is possible. Number 3. AutoVox T2 Backup Camera. If you don't have an existing screen in your car and don't want to surrender any dash or windshield real estate to a monitor, you can replace your mirror with one that's either a full-time display or, like the AutoVox T2, one that has a conventional mirror with a 170 degrees rear view display built in. The unit consists of a small waterproof license plate backup camera with backup LEDs attached to a frame, with a single wire that requires a hole drilled through the tailgate. By connecting it to the reverse lamps, the LEDs power on automatically at the right time. A splitter sends another wire forward through the cabin to plug into the mirror display. The display attaches to the permanently mounted rear view mirror clip, and 3 brackets are provided for different models, as well as an extension cable for large vehicles. Half of the mirror is a regular reflective mirror, and a 4.3-inch 480p resolution screen is set to the left. Parking and guidelines are on by default. Number 4. Wolfbox G840H Wolfbox Mirror Dash Cam. If you want to go to an all-digital display, instead of the AutoVox T1's hybrid model, Wolfbox's range-topping G840H offers the largest mirror-style monitor we think it's safe to put in your car. This 11.8-inch wide 1440p screen offers about 33 sq. Of the viewing area, a built-in front 144-op dashcam, and a rear 1080p camera. Functions include a pairing monitor, looping dashcam recording with collision sensor, reversing lines, and low light function. Where the T1 is a replacement for your existing mirror, the Wolfbox straps onto it, which at least lets you take it off if it fails. The package includes a 32GB microSD card, which must be formatted to FAT32 before use, and Wolfbox recommends upgrading to a 64GB card. You will have to run cabling through the tailgate to connect the rear unit and wire it into the reverse lamps for an auto-on function. An additional free hardwire kit is available on request to free up a 12V port. Number 5. LeeKoYu LK1 Rear View Mirror Camera. The LeeKoYu LK1 is a monitor inside a regular mirror. It has a stick-on license plate mount camera, which includes LEDs that illuminate when the camera is wired into backup lamps. Like all other hardwired cameras, that require drilling through the tailgate, splicing into existing wiring, then routing a cable under your trim up to the dashboard. The mirror clips and straps on over an existing mirror, and is slightly larger than most stock mirrors. The small display takes up the middle and has parking guidelines you can turn on and off. It's not very bright and can be hard to see in direct sunlight or when wearing sunglasses. The camera can be adjusted up and down, and while it claims a 150 degrees angle, appears to be significantly narrower, probably closer to 90 degrees. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.